guys, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. This is it. This are all the pages that I made from the kit from using this inspiration. And I wanted to show you all the pages that I made. This is the first one that was kind of an outlier. It was different than the others. It didn't have any of the peach color, which was, peach and green, but I really wanted to do this page. So this was the first one. I think the only thing that I did differently after I put everything on the video and uploaded it is I roughed up the edges here around everything except here. So that's a change, and that happens quite frequently. I do that a lot. This was the second one. I loved it that I was able to use up the flowers and a lot of the trim that I had here in doing some machine stitching, and that was kind of fun. I haven't gotten my machine out in years. Then, I matted this. I really love the way this one turned out. And this is the third one. This one was fun to be able to use the things that I know I would never have used, which being the tickets here in that key. I know I never would have used those. It's great to be able to use up these stickers. I did find out that I didn't like some of those flowers that they ended up going in the trash. I like these much better if I'm going to have some peach flowers. So those are the ones I prefer. And then this one is of my daughter and her boyfriend. And I left this blank, and this is gold. I know you probably can't tell, but I've already told her that she needs to do the journaling on this. And I thought it turned out cute. They're really a sweet couple, and we are so happy to have him in our family. He came with her for Thanksgiving. He was a blast. And then, oops, this one kind of got a little off. Let's see, this is number 5. I had a hard time. I kept saying this was number 6, but it's actually number 5. So being able to use this big piece of floral paper that I know that I would never is usually too busy. I tried to cover it up as much as I could. I like the way that it turned out. Is there anything that I finished up? Oh, I just had that one brad left over, and I went ahead and put that there. I love that. That's so cute. And then this was the last one. This is number 6. I was thrilled to be able to pull my stamps out, and I stamped in a couple colors these leaves, and that was part of the kit. And I hadn't gotten it out, and I thought, well, I probably should. And then I did some die cuts of all these other leaves, and some of these are just the back side. Excuse me. I wanted to use up the gold, or that way I didn't have to throw some pieces away. And this is the first time that I had used this alpha, and I pulled in a new alpha. So there weren't too many new things that I pulled in, but I did find I need to do that. I almost pulled my sequins, but I did not. I was good. I used up all the enamel dots. Almost all, well, actually, I used up all the trim. Everything else was, except for the little bit of this. And I've already gone through, there's a video out there of what I have left over. So yes, I had such a good time. I'm looking forward to February to see what is going to be up on the table for that. Make sure you check out Priscilla's YouTube channel as well as the Facebook group. I will link both of those below. Thanks a lot, guys, for joining me this month, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.